Lavington. I want to show you a 2, 3 and 4 bedroom apartment we have around here, just near the junction. But before I do that, this is just one of the many that we have in this area. So if you are looking for, say, a 2 bedroom, a 3 bedroom apartment, townhouse, a maisonette, we got you covered. This is just to show you the kind of quality and the kind of finishes that we have, the kind of standards that we have for you. So if you have a certain budget, take note of the location in that budget. But if you have that budget, I need you to call me so that we sit down, see what we have, and then we can see what we can get you. This apartment block is right off Kingara Road. You can literally see the Junction Mall from here. So it's sitting on 1.075 acres. So the entire apartment, the square footage for the entire apartment is about 27,670 square meters. Now, I'll show you a 2 bedroom. Then I show you a 3 bedroom. Then the place we are in right now is a 4 bedroom. And I have to say, you have to see this so that you understand the kind of quality that we have when it comes to this place. It is not a joke. It's a place where when you come here, you sit like this and feel like a master. Yeah? Now, let's see that 2 bedroom. So now you've seen the 2 bedroom. Here is the 3 bedroom. You've seen the 2 and the 3 bedroom. Now where I'm seated right now is 204 square meters of a 4 bedroom with a DSQ. So this one I have to take you around so that you see the kind of finishes, the size, the space, everything great about this place. And note, balconies on all rooms, all of them. There is no one room to all of them. Entrances too. Come in. Come. So this is your 4 bedroom. Right next to the door, you have a lift and the staff quarters. I'll show you that in a few. This side, this is where you have your bedrooms. I'll do that. But for now, ladies, let's march to the kitchen. So here's your kitchen, the entrance to the staff quarters over there. Now you have your island over here, some fruits, you have some grapes. Now and then you're overlooking, for this particular house, you're overlooking Kingara Road. You have two sinks here, and you not see this everywhere. So here you have enough storage space for your kitchen, and you have a wine cellar for your grapes. You can easily turn the grapes to your wine. So this is where you have your dining area. So your island over here, you can have breakfast. You just doing it quickly and then leaving. So you have your dining area here with a small balcony, as I told you before. Right now we cannot go out because, as I told you, it's still under construction, but it's overlooking Kingara Road. Now you have some storage space here for your books, some more down here. Now let's go to the living room, where you also have a balcony, a very, very big balcony. Now you can see the size of the living room. Very fine art. A balcony on this side, finished with tiles on the floor. So you have a balcony on this side also. You cannot go outside also, because still some construction going on. So let's do this now. I want us to go to the bedrooms, so that if you've been watching, you know my favorite part about any given house is the bedroom, the master bedroom. So come on, let's go. So here, this is where you have your cloakroom, guest cloakroom. Spacious enough. It's not yet finished, so you can see the toilet is not here. It's a half bath. So, and then you have your vanity over here. It's not yet finished, so there's some things that I have not put. Let's go to the bedrooms. Chandeliers come standard with all the rooms, all the houses. Then this is your first bedroom, which is all en suite. All rooms are en suite. Note that. See the size of this place? These are 6x6 beds, so you can imagine. It's en suite. So come in. And then I love what they've done with the mirrors. Look at this. Stare at yourself. Make sure everything is popping. And then switch it off. Let's go to the next bedroom. So that's the first bedroom. Can be your guest bedroom. And then you have the 3 bedrooms here. So let's see the first one. En suite, as you see. Now, see your closet space. See how well it's designed and how spacious it is. Okay, you have your balcony on this side. You can see the design is under construction, so I don't think it's good to actually show that for now. En suite with a standing shower, very spacious. As you can see, then you have your rain shower head over here. As you're doing that, you can play around with this also. Now, mirrors standard, like I told you. Touch it, lights on. Touch it again, and let there be no light. So let's see the next bedroom. Come on. Bathroom, full bath. With your standing shower here. And then you have your vanity over here and the mirror, like I told you. Let's see the bedroom. Come here. So you have closet space over there. And then you have your balcony over here, which is spacious enough. You can put a seat out here, have your morning coffee. Maybe chit chat if you work in the house, they can do it here. And then the closet space. Now, let's go to my space in any house. Master. Come on. So we're looking the other 2 bedrooms, so come in. Here is your master space. Very nice chandelier over here. Very nice art. Chandeliers come with the house. And then see the size of this balcony. Now here it has so much space. You can put some seats here, have your coffee, have your talk in the morning, in the evening. See that? All this. Okay? So let me now show you the closet space and then the bathroom. So let's talk. Now for the 2 bedrooms, start at 110 square meters. 3 bedrooms, 124 square meters. 4 bedrooms, 204 square meters. Prices start from only 8.5 million. Can have one for 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, goes all the way like that depending on the square footage. Now, what I want you to do is, remember that budget that we talked about, that location that we talked about. I want you to consider this as your number 1 choice. Why? Location. You're right next to the junction. You're right off Kingara Road, which is right off Gong Road, which is currently under construction. If you've been there, if you've not, come and see. What I want you to do is, if you've not saved my number yet, I want you to save it. Call me at any given time. Call me, sit me down, so that we have this conversation of where you're buying your next investment, where you're buying your next house, where you're getting your next rental. Okay? So for the amenities for this particular apartment, you have a play area for kids. There's a swimming pool. Parking sorted. You don't have issues with parking. That problem you have of somebody where you live, somebody parks where you park. Here it is designated to your particular house. Clubhouse available. Security catered for. Water, you have a storage tank. Gas, get this. For gas, there's an exterior storage for gas. You can have yours internally, but there's an exterior storage for gas. So feel free to talk to me at any given time. Share this with that friend that you know is looking for a place to stay. That friend that you know that is looking for apartments or townhouses or maisonettes for rentals. Okay? They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Buying as many properties per year keeps you safe for the rest of your life. Income every single month. Call me. See you.